at your game. A simple click on a hyperlink involves all this, and we have yet not touched the inner details like games. So, why we started this session was to understand what really computer engineers do and what is computer science. What we find, like in my and in earlier, what I see my seniors are doing is we are behind programming. Then whenever a company comes, the first question that a person asks, किस पे आप काम करा रहे हो? प्रोग्रामिंग करने को मिलेगी जावा में या सी में. Computer science and computer engineering is not all. It's about understanding how a computer works. It's about understanding कि ये architecture कैसे काम कर रहा है. So even if you are a computer and you do not know कि मैं market में जाता हूँ और मैं प्रोसेसर ले रहा हूँ Core i7, उसमें सिर्फ 2 ही कोर है. मेरे दोस्त के पास जो Core i7 है उसमें 8 कोर्स है. So there's a difference. अगर उसमें L3 कैश क्या होती है, L2 कैश क्या होती है, all these things जो है ये सब तुम लोग को पता होनी चाहिए. So there is only the case when you say कि I am a computer engineer. Otherwise you will end up being a programmer. And for getting jobs in almost all the research and development departments, जितना भी aptitude दोगे, that is mostly related, not at all programming, mathematical, a bit of programming, C especially, and in interviews they will ask you all this stuff. उनको तुम लोग कभी नहीं बोलेंगे मुझे एक फैक्टोरियल का कोड चाहिए. जैसे कि मुझे बताओ यार, एक हम सिचुएशन बनाते हैं, एक आर्किटेक्चर क्रिएट करते हैं. सम ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज वो आपको बोलेंगे कि काम करते हैं, लेट्स मेक अ आर्किटेक्चर व्हिच आउट परफॉर्म्स द करंट ग्राफिक्स प्रोसेसर. आप ऐसे कुछ सोच सकते हो? दिस इज अ वेरी ये बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन है कि दीज इंटरव्यूज आर फॉर लाइक सिस्को एंड गूगल. फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज लाइक पुणे बेस्ड कंपनीज which pay you good, उनके भी इंटरव्यूज में यू नीड टू गिव these answers. What happens at hardware level? And this is not, you should not study just because company will pay you more. It's because you have to be a computer engineer for that. So that is why we kept this session. So our aim was not to overwhelm you guys with all this information that you do not know it right now. ऐसा नहीं. So what our aim was कि you have 2 years, SE guys especially, give your best and understand all this, or तब you can say yes I am a computer engineer. Any questions? Clapping with them. Okay.
In the beginning you said something about blowing and unblowing of LED. How is it related with the working of cursor or working of mouse?
So अभी जैसे कि for example I was moving, you were talking about this blowing of LEDs. So you see, if for example these days बहुत से लोग प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं कि like प्रणब मिस्त्री यूज करो, almost everyone does that. So अगर वो हैंड मूव करता है तो how it detects using video camera. In that case the source of the light is या तो कोई इस तरह की सोर्स, ट्यूबलाइट और सोलर लाइट. Inside a mouse you also need to detect these things. So either you need to have a transducer FE में किसी ने अगर याद है तो पढ़ा होगा, that conversion mechanical. So, और या फिर तुम लोगों ने दूसरा तरीका ये है कि मैं एक एलईडी लगा देता हूँ एंड आई डिटेक्ट कि कब लाइट मुझे मिल रही है और कब नहीं मिल रही है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि इसकी डायरेक्शन क्या है. सो इफ यू दीज आर द 2 ways. अदरवाइज जैसे ऑप्टिकल माउस का होता है. सो डज इट आंसर योर क्वेश्चन? Any more questions? Your answer? Did I give your answer that you asked earlier? Okay. Can you repeat the question?
I have got many of hubs connected.
Okay.
And the last, I have a keyboard over there.
Okay.
And I have another keyboard in between somewhere. And a mouse separately directed to my mouse. When I type from one keyboard, at the same time I type from the keyboard from there, some other person, and I have clicked somewhere. So what will be the processing system? Will first which keyboard will be used and which will not?
This is highly dynamic. First of all, let me tell you this. For example, एक कीबोर्ड दिल्ली में है, one is somewhere in MP, भीन. मेरा फ्रेंड एक भीन में इसलिए लिख रहा है. तो भीन हो गया, and दिल्ली हो गया, and one is in पुणे. Now there is no guarantee कि ये जो पैकेट MP से शुरू हुआ था, because MP पहले है पुणे में, this will reach first. If it is lost somewhere, then Delhi वाला पहले आ गया. So this is highly dynamic. However, if ideal conditions are then certainly MPU or a packet will reach.
An ideal case.
What I have read about this is USB has an advantage over the last system. So much of network is available. No way the process which I have done first, they get an interruption between it will set first and then the other and then the last.
See, ये तब होगा जब USB पोर्ट तक पहुंच, जब USB होस्ट कंट्रोलर तक पहुंचेगी। अब जब हम दिल्ली वाली बात कर रहे हैं, वो इंफॉर्मेशन अभी रास्ते में, and by that time यहाँ पे काम हो चुका है। So
Hubs have that kind of system.
So you want to say you have a hub at B, USB hub.
Yeah.
So who will process that? Certainly not your computer, right? That USB hub will process that, right? Forward. So at this instant, अगर यहाँ पे दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं, so I mean this does not matter at this location because it's Pune में. So unless this travels over the network and reaches Pune, this computer do not know that there is an interrupt for it. The as you said कि USB ने मतलब काफी efficient कर रहा है, so that happens only when the signal comes in. Exactly. अगर बीच में और भी hub रखते हैं, you can keep that up.
If the network is complex, then what you can do? यहाँ पे बैठ के तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
So if the traffic is more obvious, सी थिंग है कि जहाँ पे efficient path है वही पहले है.
Does that answer your question? Any other questions? एक last suggestion. From now, I mean, all of you must be knowing about MCUG, MIT Computer User Group. So please collaborate with these guys. ये लोग, I think अभी Linux का session देख लिया है session. There is going to be another session on Linux. अभी actually started with Linux. We were not MCUG. We were like MIT Linux User Group in between. MCUG, MIT Linux User Group, and then MCUG again. Because we want to focus on computer engineering, not on Linux. So collaborate with these guys, understand it. और MCUG में अगर कोई criteria नहीं है, if you do not know anything and you come to these guys and say, hey, I want to be a part of MCUG. Yes, you are most welcome. So MCUG will help you with this. Right? And when you come to be, there is a subject operating systems. So understand operating systems very well. Everyone asks that, and you should know operating systems. I have 5 more topics. So 5 more questions. Any other questions? If not, just
Is it all right for a sake if I ask a very small question? If anyone answers, I will give him one chocolate. Okay. So
मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्डर हूँ बस.
you see, this is a VLC media player, right? When I minimize this, there is something fire animation. Can anybody tell me which component that we have seen must be taking care of this thing?
वीडियो
Yeah. यार हाथ ऊपर करो, चॉकलेट इतनी नहीं है. हाथ ऊपर करो और बताओ उसको चॉकलेट्स का
वीडियो काटना.
ओके चॉकलेट नहीं चाहिए.
कंपोजिट
मतलब उसको समझाए यार.
कंपोजिट विंडो मैनेजर.
इसका होता है. No question. From not.
Any further queries?
Okay, last question. So you can contact us at anurulkumar@gmail.com. You can contact us for all this. If you are interested in music, I'm interested in music and designing posters. So if you find that okay, such and such musician is too cool, like I mean, there's one guy Rahul Bahuguna in B. I do not know him personally, but I saw his Facebook page and there's a musician Buckethead. So वो उसका fan है. So then मैंने ही Buckethead सुना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So अगर लगता है कि हाँ यार कोई आपका अच्छा म्यूजिशियन है, मतलब कनेक्शन है, you can contact.
टेक्निकल थिंग्स के लिए कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Can
We are
contact.
friends, we are family. You can contact for
MIT family. So contact us for anything, and we have one blog, systemsdemon.blogspot.com. Some of the achievements are, if you type, I mean there during our B project, there was a component of it in which we had to make a live streaming server. So we searched all over internet the live streaming server in C. कहीं नहीं मिला. In the end, we somehow managed to make it, and our company used it for Nullsoft, Winamp this course, and a few other companies as well. उन लोगों ने comment डाला कि yes, we are using this course on our blog. So you can check out this blog. It's not only about live streaming. There are a lot of posts on it. And now if you type live streaming in C, this is on top. For that, it's a small achievement, but yeah, that's pretty big for us since we have started. And we are going to start